Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a parent and grandparent visitor visa for New Zealand. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like this is a visa which is for the parent and grandparent of a New Zealand citizen or resident if they meet some criteria, of course. So this is like you can stay there longer. Okay. I mean, up to 6 months at a time, maximum total stay of 18 months in 3 years. Okay. This is what they give you, right? And the cost is this much 341 and 80% are processed between 3.5 months. Okay. Of course, there's some eligibility like who can like have their parent or grandparent come on a visitor visa. So I won't get into the eligibility, you know it, and you can also go through the website, but I'll focus on process. So I'll click on apply online. Now, applicant is clicking on apply online, not sponsor or the person in New Zealand. Okay. So in order to get into this, you need to have a Realme account. If you don't know how to create a Realme account, I'm going to include a link in the description that you can follow and create your Realme account. And then you can come here and log in. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to talk. So once you log in here on this page, you're going to click on apply for a visa. And of course, you need to have some patience. So it's asking, are you applying for temporary residence? I definitely have a temporary visa. And it needs to be applied from outside New Zealand. First type of visa. So this is visitor visa. Okay. Are you a resident of Australia's region of a visa applicant? I select no. Select the purpose of your visit. So I select family. What do you want to, why do you want to visit? As a parent, let me see if I have an option to visit friends of Australian. I'm a child adopted versus I'm a child adoption. I want to visit New Zealand children and grandchildren. Yes, this is what. So now we got parent and grandparent visitor visa. Okay, so once you're ready, you can click on this. Now, all the information that you need, including acceptable sponsors and other things, you have it here. But I won't go into that. Instead, I'll focus on the process. So, like, let's say two people are applying, husband and wife. So, husband could be principal applicant, and other applicant can be added wife. Okay. Like, let's say your son or daughter is a New Zealand citizen or eligible resident, and you want to visit them. So that's how it goes. But yeah, in my case, let's say a parent, only father, let's say Peter Smith is an Indian citizen who wants to visit his son John Smith in New Zealand, who has become a New Zealand citizen. Okay, so Peter Smith is doing. So I'll click on continue. Of course, if you want to add more applicant, like as I said, let's say Peter has a wife, so that can be added. Okay, all the tabs are here. You have a mononym like a single word? No. Have you given name of first name? So I'm just putting a sample, but you do it as per your case. Let's say he doesn't have a middle name, Peter and Smith. Oh, yeah, that's okay. You should enter as per your passport. Have you ever used any other name? I select no. What country or territory you will be when this application is submitted? I select India. Is anyone applying for you on your behalf? I select no. Have you previously requested anxiety TA? You hold Australian permanent resident visa? No. Have you ever traveled to New Zealand before? I select no. Passport, yeah. Okay. Be very careful, guys, with these details. Verify everything at least 2 times, not just once. Country or territory of issue. Have you ever lived or spent time in your passport issue country? Yes. Why not? Passport issue date, let's say 10 2024 09 10 2034. Gender, male. Date of birth. Let's say Peter's age is, let me say, 60. Yeah. So 2025, 60 will be how much? 35. So 1965. Okay. Let's say Peter was born on 10/10 1965. Country or territory of birth. Yeah. Again, they're repeatedly saying that you need to check it very carefully. Town or city of birth. National identity. It's not a mandatory field for I'm leaving, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Do you hold any other citizenship? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Upload photo. Okay, so like definitely they have given the specifications you need to upload because it's a sample video, so I'm not doing. But before you finish all the fields or all the required fields on this application, definitely you can't go ahead. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just skipping it. Is the postal address same as physical address? Yes. Enter details of your address. For current country or territory. For India, state, I select Delhi. Select enter manually. Of course, like I don't know any address in Delhi, that's why I'm doing it. Ahaha. Delhi postal code. Of course, that's not the postal code. Email address. Provide your proper email address because communications will go there. This is just a sample, so I'm doing this. Applicant preferred contact number. Country code. So India's country code is +91. Sample guys. Alternative, no optional. Action required. National ID number it's asking. Issue, upload your photo is required for. Okay. National ID number. I thought of skipping it, but it looks it will not allow me. But no worries, you do it as per your own case. I'm just doing sample. Can I do now at least? You have answer not answered. Complete this section. Okay. We can click on continue and later come back and upload photos. So because my purpose is to walk you through it, I will not stay on this and upload a sample image. Instead, I'll go to other and I will show you all the tabs. Okay. Purpose of visit. Peter Smith. Visa and parent and grandparent. Is the child or grandchild sponsoring you aged 18 or yes? Are you able to financially support yourself during your stay? I select yes. Do you have prepared accommodation? I select yes. Or if I say each person each day, yes. Just staying at more than one, enter the first address. Okay. If I select no, what happens? Nothing. And this is just a sample video, but do it as per your case. Just would you require a multiple journey visa? I select no. Estimated date of arrival. So I'll just put 10, 10, 2025. And let's say in exit 12, 12, 2020. Wow. But again, do it as per your case. Pre-parental permission. Is anyone included? I don't think so. Of which option applies to you. No one is included, is under 16. Save and continue. So guys, once a particular tab is completed, see, identity detail, you don't see this tick mark because not all mandatory fields were completed like photo. Okay. But once a tab is completed properly, you see this tick mark. Now we are in the character tab. Have you ever been convicted of any offense including as no? Currently under investigation, being expelled, deported, have you ever refused a visa per country, excluding New Zealand? I select no. Health. Do you have tuberculosis? I select no. Medical care. Renal dialysis, hospital care, residential care while you stay in New Zealand. I select no, but yeah, especially for parent and grandparent, be very careful in answering. How long do you plan to stay in New Zealand? More than 1 month up to 3 months. Yeah. Have you had a medical exemption for a current visa application? I select no. But if you had, definitely provide the details. Employment history. Current employer. Are you currently working? He's 65, 60, he is like 35, 60. So I assume no, like he's retired already, let's say. Relationship. Yes. What's your partnership status? Let's say he's married. Is current partner included in this application? I select no, but if you're like if like for example at the beginning of the video say I said how you can include the partner too. So in that case you will select yes if you're going for that way. Partner relationship to you, they are my wife. Partner's given name, let's say he has a wife whose name is Elana Smith. Gender, date of birth. Let's say she is from 1967. Yeah, 60 or 50 and good couple. Partner's relationship status, of course, married. Haha. Partner's country or territory of birth. Wow, so many questions even for partner. But yeah, who definitely you know. State or province of birth. New Delhi. Partner's town or city of birth. Partner's nationality. I select India. Partner's country or country of residence. If the occupation not working, intern not employed. So let's say she's not working. So I select no. Does your partner hold a passport? Yes. Wow. They ask him for partner passport also, but why wouldn't she have? Country of territory of issue. India. Wow. Your partner, so Elana's passport details. Haha. 2024. Ah, do you have any contacts in New Zealand? I select yes. Of course. Friend, relative, or contact. So he's like gonna visit his son. So definitely he's a contact, right? So let's say son's name is John. Smith. Related to you, family. So let's say John was born in 1990. Yeah, and in 90. Enter their address manually. Yeah, of course, because I don't know any address in New Zealand. Of course, you do properly. Don't do like this. Contact number. So 64. Email. Yes, you can add more contacts to, like, let's say you have a daughter-in-law. So definitely can provide. Immigration, are you completing this form on behalf of someone? If someone is, I select no. Advice, received assistance or immigration advice, I select no. In documents, what other documents you need? Are all documents you intend to upload in English? I select yes. Sponsor. Wow. The full name of the person sponsored. He's been sponsored by his son John Smith. John Smith. His email address. Sharing ID. Okay. So you need to do that, but I will leave this. Identity. Relevant passport traveler. So now this section is for Peter. Peter's passport. National identity card. Household registration. Don't worry about it. There's something. Are you living in a country that is not your current country of citizenship? I select no. As of Peter is living in India. Purpose of visit, evidence of relationship to your child or grandchild. Okay. Evidence of genuine intent. Okay. So you can do that here. Evidence of Austrian visa. Other evidence of genuine intent. Do you want to upload more evidence of your intent? So you can definitely click on yes and provide that. Yeah, other evidence you want to do, you can do. You will do check this, declare, and then save and continue. Next is going to be the review and declare. Okay, where you can check all the details, because you won't be able to submit until you go to identity details and upload the picture they ask for, because every tab needs to have this tick mark. Once you have, then only you can finally submit. But anyway, you got an idea how to submit this application, and if approved, you are all good. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.